Hey, guess what? Do you want to play a game? Which car have I got? Oh, but then it's going to be like last time. It's going to be a car you haven't got on the box. Haha! But wait. You'd be correct, because it isn't one on the box. It's Dom's Chevy Chevelle! Awesome! Yeah. This is what I spotted originally before I started spotting other cars. So basically we've just had like a free part. Well, I say a free part. We've just had 3 videos in a row on the same topic. Basically I went to the shops recently and I found like they'd stocked a ton of these smaller Fast and Furious cars. And there were loads I'd not seen before. There was the 3 I bought. There was the Supra that I really wanted, but I still couldn't really get it. There was an R33, a yellow R33, which also isn't on the back of the box. And also that's not on the back of the box, a Plymouth Barracuda. The R32, no, the R33 and the Barracuda were in my basket, but I kind of had to put them back because I was getting on spending near on £60, and I just, no, I couldn't. I had to stop myself. I couldn't. But yeah. I bought the ones that meant most. I probably will end up buying the others at some point if I find them again. There is no helping me. I just keep spending all my money. And then I complain that I have no money and wonder where it's all gone. But anyway, that's not the point of this video. The point is the Chevy Chevelle. I do really like this car. Don't know why. I just like the Chevelle. Screwdriver, undo that screw, but not so I could get to it. Now my camera isn't going to make this look as good as it does in real life because it's red. There's like a few bit of specks on the top. Camera can't see it, which is pretty good. Yeah, this is a really nice bright gloss red, but of course the camera has to make it look orange. I could play around and try and figure that out, but hang on. Nope, gave it a go. Didn't really do much justice. So yeah, just picture a really nice red, a nice gloss red. And that's what this car looks like. But yeah, it's really, really cool. It is really nice. These wheels, man, these look so cool. Got the chrome dish around it and the awesome 5-spoke wheels. That's really cool. They suit this car really well. Again, we've got the opening doors. Steering wheel is on the left hand side, as it is an American muscle. That's all fine and good. These doors open and close really nicely, actually. Compared to some of the others, that's quite nice. SS badge there, really, really cool. Of course, we get the full light details, although it looks like they haven't... maybe they have painted them afterwards. Looks like they've just used the same red that the car is in. Nice chrome bumpers there. Really nice. We've got the little Fast and Furious logo on the license plate at the back. Really, really nice. Front end, chrome bumper galore. Really, really nice. Same for the grille. And we've also got some front light details in the form of clear plastic, which is all well and good. That's really nice. It's really nice, that. It's another one of the more bog standard basic ones. We have got the stripes on the hood and the trunk there, which is really nice. Yeah, one of the more, I like the more basic stuff. It usually it's nice to look at. Doesn't roll as well, this one. Rolls kind of alright, but the rear wheel... yeah, something about the rear wheels. They don't roll as well. Yeah, this is really nice. Somehow I've got through the entire car in a 2-minute... oh wait, no, because I started the... I jump cutted, didn't I? I did a jump cut, I did. Yeah. That's really nice. I'm just disappointed in my camera for not picking up the red very well. But I think that's the same for most cameras. Plus the lighting isn't that great. Some higher quality lighting would be probably a good idea. I'll get there in the end. I'll be on it soon. It's lost focus, look. Yeah, I don't see much on the bottom of these ones. Fast and Furious TM, Sissy, Jada Toys, made in China. What isn't? Yeah, that's really cool. Awesome, awesome stuff. Yeah, I really like these Fast and Furious things. It's a shame because I actually have nowhere to put any of them. I don't have any shelves or a lot of shelf space, so like, they just end up being piled up on my desk until I can't bear them no more, and they get put in a box or something. It's a shame because I really want to be able to display these, but you know, there's not even space on the wall for a shelf because I put too many Hot Wheels up. It's not good. It's not good. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to take all my Hot Wheels down and start putting up newer ones soon because I'm running out of space. I've got loads to put up, but nowhere to put them. Oh dear. But yeah, I think I'm going to end the video there. So, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment on your thoughts on this here car. And be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content coming really soon. I'll see you around in the next video. Bye bye for now.